3 games, 5 plays. It's creme de la creme time, people. The top 5 on NBA.com. We start you out in Big D, where Oklahoma City was playing Big O, the Durantula. On the run, Kevin Durant having fun, throwing this one down on the break. He looked good. OKC looked good, but it's early. On to number 4, and at number 4, some D from Jermaine O'Neal. Watch him bring the heat against Andrea Bargnani. O'Neal, oh no, got to see this one more time. Number 7 thinks he's clear. But yeah, that one's rejected by another number 7. O'Neal, Jermaine style. On to number 3, and at number 3, we're back in Dallas. Jan Mahimi yanking that one home. Nice dish from Jerome Randall over to Mahimi, who knows how to finish with authority. Top 2 now, 2 best plays of the day. At number 2, men in green, Rajon Rondo. Brandon Bass, new guy in town, fishing above the rim. Dwayne Casey can't like that, but watch it one more time. Can't trade this guy. Look at that pass. Rondo with the delivery over to Brandon Bass, and we'll see it one more time because it's that much fun. The men in green win it by 1 north of the border. But number 1, well, you know what's coming up here. Mario Chalmers just throwing up anywhere. How about off glass? LeBron James, elbows right there above the rim, and no problem at all for number 6. They're looking for that first title. The journey begins tonight in preseason for the Heat. The King at number 1 on the top 5.